Welcome to this short presentation that will provide an overview for the literacy titles that have been chosen to supplement your Exploring Science 2019 science program. We'll begin with an overview of the K through 2 books and teacher's guide that provides instructional support for your literacy selections. We'll then move on and do the same, covering the books and the teacher's guide for the grades 3 through 5 literacy selections. Let's get started. Each grade level has a literacy teacher's guide that will help you integrate your literacy instruction with your science program. The teacher's guide includes a literacy overview, science background information, and easy-to-use teaching plans for each student book. The teacher's guide focuses on both content and comprehension goals. It provides a roadmap for helping students access science content through reading, writing, speaking, and listening. In grades K through 2, we'll start with the guided reading book. These books are a little larger in size, and there are 3 levels, each written at a different reading level, providing access to content for students with a broad range of reading ability. While the topics of the 3 books are different, they all relate to the same core ideas and offer the same science vocabulary. Because the topics are different but related, students can become experts in a topic and share and compare what they've learned. On the back cover, near the barcode, you'll see colored in circles representing the differentiation. One colored in circle represents the below level book. The 2 colored in circles represent the on level reading book. And finally, the 3 colored in circles represent the above level reading book. The teacher's guide provides instructional support for each of the 3 titles of guided reading book. They also provide student support to access science content while developing literacy skills. Also at grades K through 2, you'll have some books that are a little bit smaller in size. These are the independent reading books. Each book relates to one of the guided reading books, and it connects to one core idea. These are also leveled readers, with the levels being represented on the back cover with the colored in circles above the barcode. 3 reading levels that are geared towards independent reading provide access for students with all different reading abilities. The teacher's guide also will provide support for all 3 of the independent reading book titles. You'll find teacher support for connecting to those core ideas, helping students make connections in their reading, and even instruction for comparing and contrasting texts. Finally, also for grades K through 2, you'll have a Write About Big Book. This includes one writing mentor text for each of the grades K through 2, and it provides student support for reading and writing an opinion piece. Now we'll move to the grades 3 through 5 literacy selections, where we find compelling science and STEM topics for all reading levels. Titles will also represent life, earth, and physical science content. The literacy selections for grades 3 through 5 are also leveled readers. If you flip your book over to the back cover, you will see a series of colored in circles right above the barcode. 1 circle representing the below level book, 2 the on level reading book, and 3 the above level reading book. You'll also notice the Lexile level to the right of the colored in circles. The leveling of this program addresses text complexity in a unique way. Each level is increasingly complex, giving students an authentic opportunity to read first at their own level and then, if and when appropriate, a chance to reread using a more complex text in the set. This series of books represents a number of informational text genres. Each title for the stories in the book will represent a different genre. This graphic shows the different genres that are represented in the article titles throughout the program. The Teacher's Guide provides a literacy overview, which lists the pertinent information for each of the science titles, the selection of their genre, the literacy standards that are addressed, the content and comprehension goals, and suggestions for activating and building background around the book's topic and science concepts. In addition to the literacy overview, the Teacher's Guide will also provide instruction for integrating key vocabulary into the lessons, a write and assess feature where students can integrate their science notebooks, collaborative discussion suggestions after the students have read the articles, and finally, these books can be taken to full research projects if desired. Thank you for joining me for the literacy overview for Exploring Science 2019.